Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect smartwatch Bluetooth calling. First, ensure both your smartwatch and smartphone have at least 50% battery life. Next, download the official companion app for your smartwatch from your phone's app store. Finally, activate Bluetooth on both devices. This initial preparation is crucial for a smooth and successful connection, setting the stage for hands-free communication right from your wrist. Once your devices are ready, open the companion app on your phone. The app will guide you through the pairing process. Look for your smartwatch in the list of discoverable Bluetooth devices and tap to select it. A pairing code, usually a 6-digit number, will then appear on both screens. Confirm this code on both your phone and watch to establish a secure connection. This step links your devices for basic functions. With your devices paired, the next step is to enable the calling feature. Go to your phone's Bluetooth settings. You should see your smartwatch listed as a connected device. Tap on its name or the gear icon next to it. Here, you'll find an option for phone audio or call audio. Make sure this is toggled on. This allows your smartwatch to handle phone calls, transforming it into a convenient communication hub. For the best experience, keep your phone and smartwatch within a 10-meter range. If you face any issues, like dropped calls, a simple fix is to unpair and then repair your devices. Also, always keep your smartwatch firmware and phone's operating system updated. These updates often include performance enhancements and bug fixes that can improve your Bluetooth calling experience. Following these tips ensures reliable hands-free communication.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.